I just got into that short a bit too late, but it's okay. I tried here. Unfortunately, I closed that break even. Market dropped, came back up, trying second time. Second leg down to this 41, to this liquidity. It's 1st of May 2024. See if this works. Should work. Should take that low. It's a 15-minute candle low. Should go down there, grab it, tap into this liquidity. I mean into this fair value gap. We'll see. Liquidity is here. And we can do it this way, that I will take 10 out here.
Order submitted.
5 and see how far I can go on the 5. Stop loss should be, technically speaking, here. One tick above, to be honest. But if I see this thing going higher, then I know I'm gonna hit that. So I don't really need to waste money on that. We take that, then we push. Then we're done. We have some data in 5 minutes.
So in 5 minutes time now at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, we get the US ADP employment change. Forecast 180k, prior 184k, with a range of 220 to 120k expected.
Order submitted. Order filled.
One more here. Yeah, 41 is that's the target, really. Let's see. And the problem is that in 4 minutes we have data and I can be waked out of this trade. Can happen. Let's put the stop loss where it's supposed to be. And leave it. And take that loss like a champ. Take this loss like a champ. Just so, yeah, once we take that low. And that's it. And the rest will be here. Let's see. Look how the market is clearing itself. Okay, now. That's not good. That's not good. Fortunately, that is not good. On my short. 2 more minutes. Let's move this here. My wicket.
Order cancelled.
1 minute remaining.
And that's it. So I'm gonna take that trade during the data. What happened here? Empty. Empty. Should get down and grab that liquidity. $12 seconds.
10 seconds. $192K, 192K, higher than forecast, 180K.
This is how you do it, boys and girls. See how we traded into this value gap? I mean, I'm not gonna lie.
So for the breakdown here, US
gamble.
April
But
goods producing
liquidity
jobs
was
are
down
up
here,
47,000, while services
they would
producing
prefer
jobs are
to
up
go
145,000, bringing the total again to 192K,
Well, I could have
higher
been
than the
wicked.
expected 180K.
Wicked out. And technically speaking, that 15 minutes has been wicked out. So if my stop loss was what I was initially thinking above here, I will be done. Other than that, we are sitting at £1,713.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be
I
on
did
the
some
bleeding edge
trades
of news for
overnight,
non-farm payrolls?
so
Then sign up today
where
and
we
get
are
our
right now.
special offer of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of
but
1
this
month.
trade
And save
was
92%.
was
An
it?
upward revision to the prior, revised up to 208K
15
from
contracts.
184K.
$200. 400, sorry, $400, $300, yeah. All right. So we did take this liquidity down here. And now we should travel higher. Look at that. So let's just leave it. The interesting part, because this is MES, the interesting part on ES, we did not take that low. See that? That's the difference between ES and MES. I've been trading MES. ES hasn't done that. So
We have posted out the ADP employment change April report on the feed for anyone interested.
all right, it's a good start. We'll get back. We'll get something. Well, maybe I just talk a little bit about what just happened. So, right. So this is 15 minutes chart. And the situation is we dropped yesterday. That's the Asia high. Buy side liquidity. This is London sell side. We could at the open push into Asia and sell. This is what I would like to see. That's why I'm thinking to get long now, but to get a profit trip. So I'm gonna stop this video here. I'll pause it and we'll come back into it later. I did take that long here. Market has grabbed the liquidity. There is a buy side ready to be swept. We have 50, 51, 52. And I think market will try to get back into $65. We closed yesterday. The settlement was, what was settlement? Let's quickly have a look. The settlement was 64. 67. So, yeah, I think we're gonna push now. Momentum is to the upside.
Order submit. Order filled.
Let's buy more. $23 past. 7 more minutes on this period, and most likely we're gonna push through it.
Order submitted.
If we get down here again, I'm gonna add more. There's a lot of shorts here. Trapped. Price goes down, they're escaping. So
So in 5 minutes' time now, at the bottom of the hour, do you see the release of the US Treasury's quarterly refunding announcement, are largely expected by analysts to remain unchanged.
Well, let's see. We're gonna get that.
1 minute remaining for the US Treasury quarterly refunding announcement.
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
Get enough fucking. Manufacturing P9.
Order filled.
5. Haven't got anything else. Why is this? Why is this?
10 seconds.
Okay, I went out and I don't know what's going on. Let's fucking go. There we go. Oh,
And so here's the release. The US Treasury says it does not expect to increase nominal coupons or floating rate note auction sizes for the next several quarters. So they're to sell 25 billion in 30-year bonds May 9th, settling on the 15th. 42 billion in 10 years on May 8th, settling on May 15th. 58 billion in 3 years on May 7th, settling on May 15th. So they say they are to raise the July 10-year TIPS new issue auction size by $1 billion to 19 billion.
Probably
and
not.
to keep the 10-year TIPS reopening
Might
auction
even go
size
higher
at
now.
16 billion. They say it's prudent to
To be
continue
honest,
incremental increases in
do
TIPS
that,
auction
we'll go
sizes
higher.
in May to the July quarter. So to sell 58 billion in 3-year notes, 42 billion in 10 years, 25 billion in 30 years. So again, they are expecting not to increase nominal coupons or floating rate note auction sizes for the next several quarters.
I fucked up, to be honest. Because technically speaking, I should have sold into this. But the price can still continue higher. I'm still bullish on that thing because we grabbed the bottom, we're holding. Let's fucking go up. 55 is looking promising. Can go there very fast. Very, very fast. There you go. 61 just popping up. We're going to take some here.
Order
Some here.
filled.
And we're going to keep the rest. Let's keep the rest as far as we can. We're gonna go up there. Yes, we can. We can. Yes, we can. 65 even. Whoa. Look at that. Even 65. But not in the straight line, so I'm gonna close one here. Okay, 57.
As the market digesters, just noting the S&P 500 on a leg up. It's flat on the pre-market session now in the futures. A dollar down 0.1%.
That is a lovely move. Asia high, Asia buy side. It's over here. That's why we have somebody waiting. 65. If we drop a little bit, I'm gonna add. Fair value gap, bullish one. We have a little bit of fair value gap here as well. Nice. I'm gonna go free here. So
Order
I'm gonna
submitted.
push into it. Come on.
Order
Oh,
filled.
yeah, there we go. We're in. Right. Stop loss below. Yep.
Order filled.
One more. It's just overshoots this fair value gap. Let's see if it's gonna close above. Like it should. Mm. Liquidity is still there, 56, 57, 58, 60, so I want to see that. Let it run. That was the first leg. That's your first leg. This could be your second leg. 62, 60, 61, 62. There we go. I'm going to be very happy with that profit. Let it run. Let it run. Just to break that. We got even 65 to be honest. We have plenty of time. Got still 1 hour to open. They can play that. 65, 66 even, yeah. All right, this cannot come back. If it comes back, that trade is invalid. So I pay my commission with that Montic. It's just about holding right now. Sitting on your hands. Momentum is to the upside.
So we have posted out the full Treasury announcement on the quarterly refunding on the feed for anybody interested.
The liquidity is up to 65, so this is where market's supposed to go. It has to break that high. That's what we want, to break that high first. It's chopping around. It's chopping around a little bit, but pressure is to the upside. Might get down to this 50. Let's do one more time. One more trip. So unfortunately, I need to move my stop here.
So again, the US Treasury announces its
thought we were
quarterly
gonna go.
refunding of $125 billion
Kind of
as expected. They're raising new cash of
loading up right
$17.2 billion.
So stop needs to be below that low. So we could come down here and do that. Grab that 48, for example. 50. And this is where my position is. I don't want to be wicked out because I see a huge potential to the upside. I might even add when we get down here. If we get down here, might just get another 4.
Order submitted.
We're gonna buy more at 50. We have not taken any significant level. Yeah, like 59 is like a minimum target. It's just market is balancing right now with time, buying a little bit more, selling here a little bit. A lot of liquidity. Market wants to get that up to 65. Come on, get down here. Get in. Maybe they will weak that low, grab liquidity and go. Oh, we are bullish. If I ignore that wick, that was the. If I ignore this wick, then here is bullish. That was just a news week. That's a bullish candlestick. This is a bullish fair value gap. If I ignore that little wick here, I think if I look at there you go. If I look at 2 minutes candle, that's what we have. Yep. On 1 minute it's not, but on 2 minutes it's here. That's the fair value gap, bullish one. Yeah. Let's go. 30 more minutes, 13 more minutes. We're gonna have that liquidity here. And then we might push higher. Twelve more minutes. Look at the dump yesterday. From 41 50-50, 141, 50-50, 90 points. Because of what? Because of FMOC. We have FMOC today. FMOC decision. It's gonna stay as it is. But the main problem is what Jerome Powell is gonna say today at 2:30. So what market is likely to do at the open, just push higher. They will take stop losses of this shorts. They will load up more stop losses at the top. And that will be done after that, because statistically on FMOC day market is just doing something at the first 90 minutes at the open, and after that it's not doing much. It's just basically it might just slide down a little bit into the FMOC decision, and then we're gonna have a volatility, but we'll see. So I'm gonna just pause this video, and we will resume when something's gonna happen, probably in 9 minutes. Okay, market is still chopping. If we get into this fair value gap, I'm gonna add 50, 54, 40, 50, 48, 47, 46. So yeah. That's my plan for today. Expect at some point push towards Asia buy side. This FMOC today, so after that market should probably slowly start stepping down into the FMOC decision, which is at 2 p.m. So I'm not gonna even trade after the open. I'm just expecting this move to get to Asia buy side, and that will be my trade. And pretty much I'm already sitting in this trade, so
The effective Fed fund rate is unchanged at 5.33% for April the 30th.
I'm already sitting in this, and I need a push towards this 66, 65. We still have liquidity. Somebody's waiting 540.
And be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls?
From price action, I can see they want to buy it.
Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month.
Hopefully, we're just gonna climb higher. All right. That's 9 o'clock. Let's see what's gonna happen now. So 54. We did drop to 53 yesterday. Obviously, I have to bear in mind that we do have that low, 37. But what I would like to see before open, we push, and we basically take that liquidity. We take, this is not even liquidity to look around, to be honest, because that's just a little blip. I'm gonna remove that. That's just one little blip. Yeah, 65 would be great. Let me just go there. So all this buying here, that nice drop, they collected the liquidity from here with this drop. They have all the longs from it's London time, 10 o'clock. So they have all these longs from this time, from 5 a.m. basically. Whoever bought that has been stopped on that push low. They've been clearing longs very regularly. That was a nice news push. We're holding. Should get a second leg up here. That's it. So I see it. But I would like to see this push before they open. Because anything can happen at the open. All right. We do have that liquidity here waiting, so let's see. But the closer we get till the open, the less willingness I will have to hold the trade, because the volatility at the open significantly changes everything. My perspective. I mean, this is still bullish. Nice cleaning here. I might drop and clean that level. What was this called? The turtle soup, ICT is calling it. You know, that level here. It's a turtle soup. Just drop into it. Sorry. Yeah. Take that and go. Could happen. We have plenty of trapped shorts here as well. Let's remember that. The moment we drop, they're going to be running for the hills. So 6 contracts, MES, it's fine. Let's just stay here and see. Because we might get a push at the open. Or just before that. Let's go. $65 is waiting. I don't know if we're gonna get that now, but $20 more minutes to open. So what are you trying to do? Are you trying to push through this before they open and you're gonna dump it at the open? Or are we just gonna continue higher?
Order cancelled.
I don't think we're gonna revisit this right now. The momentum is up. I want to see that push in here. Big boys plus 33 from 9 o'clock. That's what I'm measuring it. Measuring from 2 p.m. London, that's 9 o'clock. So I can see a bit of buying coming in. Let's go there. All right, a bit of selling here. Now it's important. Are we gonna continue, or we just sold and we're gonna dump it, grab the low? And that's always a question. Gonna put my stop loss here. Plus one tick to get paid something to cover my expenses, commission. At this point, I would expect markets to continue higher. But if we don't, that's all right. Just don't like the fact that they didn't collect that, but that's all right. There was a lot of liquidity pumping. 63 is measured move. Hands off. Hands off trade. But I really want this to. You know what? I think we're gonna drop anyway.
Order
Not
filled.
going anywhere. Gonna take that $140. Reason for that, we are approaching. It's 15 minutes, 17 more minutes to open. This thing can just come down here and wake me up. So let's see. Maybe I left some meat on the bone, probably, for push into this. But maybe I will have an opportunity to get in again.
Order submitted.
When they will get down there to grab that liquidity. Let's see. My rule is I'm not holding anything into the open, because the open is crazy, you know. You don't want to be holding anything into open. All right, it's going up. Anyway, we are up $2,086. I was trading overnight. Was taking some trades around here yesterday night. A few longs from here. So, all right. All right, let's see what they're gonna do now. Now we took that liquidity, and now is the question: are we going to continue, or are we just gonna drop and grab that? What was that? Turtle soup, right? ICT turtle soup. Turtle soup.
Hey guys, what is up? Faz here.
Higher low, big time higher low.
Hey guys, what is up? Text, they're not gonna work. Okay, you cannot just simply trade every. Okay, so when time frame PO introduced, you have to mark out every single. Right, there's gonna be a structure here. So then you, when the price comes back into your 4-hour OB, forming this 7.
Let's see it from the man himself. ICT turtle.
11:30 a.m. New York time.
Give me ICT here. Turtle soup short. Anyway, let's just wait now.
Order cancelled.
Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna stop this video. As a pre-market trading, it's 1 hour long. It's 1st of May 2024, FMOC day. Yeah, we're pushing. Now we're gonna push into that. So I left some meat on the bone, but it's all right. It's all right. Happens sometimes. It does happen sometimes. Well, thanks for watching, and I'm gonna be back at the open. We'll see what we can do there. This is Trap Trader from London. Take care.